Okay. That's the problem. The roof
is in the way.
The roof is in the way. So close. No. You get really close, but then it doesn't work. You know, it's not going to stay up there. It's going to slide right off.
Right over! Right
Like,
over it.
I don't know why. It's easier when it's spinning.
It bounces right off.
Bouncing.
I did not know water bottles could bounce.
Until you meet me. Trying to put the stupid water bottle on top of the stupid fan. Because I'm crazy. Tell me if it makes it. Just. That would have made
My
it.
arm hurts.
Good.
Why did I agree to doing this?
I don't know. Because you're not doing it for me. I gotta film it myself, then cut it. A bunch.
Well, I've got to cut this too. I'm not adding all of this
Did
crap
it
in it.
stay? Well, it didn't, obviously it didn't stay, but did it?
It keeps bouncing though.
Oh god.
It's not sliding off like you said it would.
It was. It did once.
It did once. And all the other times it just bounces.
That was really bad.
This is interesting.
Entertaining.
Oh god, I wonder how many people are gonna get inspired by this. Oh my god!
How many people are gonna get inspired?
How many people are gonna decide to flip it out to their ceiling fan?
Because one stupid girl did
That
it.
one stupid girl. And then her
Decided
stupid
to
sister
be-
decides to go along with the plan. And film it.
I can't flip and catch one. You better cut it so you don't, like, get all this in it.
I actually think this is better content than actually getting it.
Do a cut version and then an uncut version and say this is bloopers.
Bloopers!
No, it's moving now. It's not gonna stay. No, somebody does it once and then you're not filming it. And then when
It's going over the freaking blade!
and then when they try to do it again on camera, it doesn't work. I'm gonna do this. It's not gonna stay up there, but it's gonna land right side up. If it doesn't hit the roof first.
It's been landed right side up and just bounced off.
I wonder how many times it actually hit the fan on the bottom of it than on the top of the blade.
More than on top.
That sucks. Whee! What the hell?
I have no idea. Please don't break the water bottle.
I wonder if it would work
Or
better.
the fan.
Not gonna break the fan. Fan can withdraw any bottle.
Any flippin' water bottle.
As long as I can catch it, I'm happy. What I'm gonna do is just gonna cut it to where it actually stays up there and it doesn't fall off.
I'm now just following the water bottle up and down because I'm tired of looking directly at the
Oh
fan.
god. Really working up, practicing my flipping skills.
Oh, it fell over.
Wait, it fell over?
It fell over. It landed right side up, fell over, and rolled off.
Stupid water bottle. No, this isn't catching anything, I swear. Oh my god. Did it die? No, oh my god. It
It
died.
died.
It flipping died.
Well, I can edit something out of this and send and email it.
You can?
Yeah?
How?
By editing and then emailing it.
But I don't have an email on my phone. I have it on my
Everybody has
tablet.
email?
Can you send it through Trillian?
I have no idea.
Hold on, can you plug this in? I want to see if it
Go
actually...
ahead.
It stops recording after it dies, and I don't know when it's died. So maybe I at least caught something. Hopefully. If not, I'm doing this all over again.
If you haven't finished.
Fudge you. Really?
If I could Photoshop, I'd Photoshop a picture of the water bottle to the fan.
No, just cut it off when I actually got it.
I don't know how to Photoshop. Like, I've tried. I've got an app on my tablet that I can Photoshop with. But I suck at using it.
No, I've got it up there. It just slides off. Stupid. Oh, God. It's like a... What's it called?
Diving
A
board.
diving board. Yeah, that's what it is. Hold on, let me check my phone because it... Okay, let's see how much I got. I already messed up my password. Come on, just recognize my fingerprint. Let's see how much I got. Where the hell are pictures?
It's photos.
What? Oh my god, did it not save? Oh, no, it did. It's got 52 seconds of it. I doubt anybody. Then the fit. Now where Nope. Nope. Wait, hold on. Nope.